Okay, another problem solving. The perimeter of a basketball court is 90 meters and the length is 6 meters longer than twice the width. What are the length and the width? So we have a sketch given to us of the basketball court. It says the length is 6 meters longer than twice the width. So how could we label our picture here? Let's see, the length is longer than the width. So we don't know the width at this point. We could mark it X, and the length, when we use this to describe the length, 6 meters longer than twice the width. So 6 meters longer than is something plus 6. We add 6 to what? Twice the width. So let's make that 2x. 2x plus 6 describes the length. Now another clue word we have here is the word perimeter. We want to notice that, and we want to know that perimeter of this shape, this is a rectangle, is a formula we can look up. So perimeter of a rectangle is the formula P is equal to 2L plus 2W. Alright, and now we want to start substituting in information that we know or variables that we have renamed. So the perimeter of a basketball court is 90 meters. We could stop right there because we were just given the information for perimeter. So in the formula, P stands for perimeter, so we replace that with 90. Is equal to 2 times the length, and we would stop here and say, how did we describe the length? We described the length as 2x plus 6 plus 2 times the width. And how did we describe the width? We described it as x. Okay, now we have an equation that we can solve. This one we need to eliminate the parentheses. So we'll have to distribute here because we can't do the work inside the parentheses because we can't add like unlike terms. So we're going to distribute. That will give us 4x plus 12 and continue with plus 2x. Now we need to collect like terms here, 4x plus 2x. That gives us 6x plus 12 and 90 on this side. Now we're working to isolate the variable term 6x, so we need to eliminate plus 12 with minus 12 on both sides, or plus a negative 12. It's the same thing. So that gives us over here 78 is equal to 6x, and plus 12 minus 12 zeros out. Now we're left to divide both sides by 6. And on the right side, the 6's canceled to isolate x. And 78 divided by 6 is 1, should be 13. 78 divided by 6 is 13. Now, we found x equal 13, and in our picture, as we labeled it, x stands for the width. So it said to find the length and the width. So 13 is equal to x, which is equal to the width. And now how can we find the length? Well, we said the length we described as 2x plus 6. And now that we know that x is 13, we could say that's 2 times 13 plus 6. 2 times 13 is 26, and 26 plus 6 is 32. So the width is 13 and the length is 32, and we want to check that. First of all, if we plug these numbers into the original formula, does it work? Let's see, that's 90 is equal to 2 times 13, 26, 2 times 30, oh sorry, backwards, 2 times 32, 64, 2 times 13, 26. So 64 plus 26, does that equal 90? Yes, it does.